Welcome to SDK Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen issue which a lot of users face when they are trying to capture their desktop display using OBS. So this mostly happens when you have an integrated graphics card and another dedicated graphic card, and OBS will be using your dedicated graphics. So your desktop is being rendered by the internal graphics, whereas OBS is running on the dedicated graphics. This is causing the issue. So in that case, what you can actually do is you can switch your configuration for OBS to power saving mode, and it should work. So for NVIDIA graphics card 2, you have a similar setting. So one thing, for some weird reason, even in spite of setting power saving mode, my OBS is still using the AMD graphics. So what in my case I do is I close the OBS, over to my device manager, and I disable my dedicated graphics, Radeon graphics, and I relaunch OBS and see it works. So most probably you won't have to disable your dedicated graphics. You will only have to tweak the settings, but in my case it's some weird reason and I have to disable it. See what works for you, and I hope this fixes your issue, and thank you for watching this video.